In a sunlit apartment, a clumsy roommate debates a talking smart fridge that only serves up puns. The fridge teases about expired milk while the plant owner mediates, wielding a spatula like a referee. The toaster chirps in with a crusty joke, and the vacuum complains of being underappreciated, sparking pratfalls. The fridge prints a grocery list listing unicorn carrots and moonlight milk, sending everyone into giggles. They laugh, choosing chaos over perfection and promising more ridiculous days ahead.